Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker from Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. Hey, I want to talk to you about just a terrific July 4th sale that's going on right now. You're going to see this not in too many places. This is a sale that's really unique to Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and that is the sale of being in stock. Right now, there are so many factory closures that it's really getting in the way of consumers buying what they want at most retailers, really with the exception of Appliance Factory. So this is my recommendation to you this time of the year. Normally, I'm bringing great offers, free appliances, all kinds of sales. Well, those things are still going on at Appliance Factory. But the number one feature of the year is it in stock or not? Because no matter what price I put on something, if we can't get it, it's no value to you. And that's what I'm seeing at our competitors. So I won't name names, but some of them are orange and some of them are blue. And you save yourself some time. Come to the Appliance Factory, ask them what's in stock. You're going to find we have over 30,000 appliances in the distribution center here in Denver right now. And that's where you're going to find your best value.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.